Simplify. Write all answers using radical notation. Assume all variables represent positive numbers. The square root of the quotient 100a to the fourth divided by 9b to the sixth. We'll begin this by rewriting this as the quotient of two radicals. That is, the square root of 100a to the fourth divided by the square root of 9b to the sixth. And now we'll recognize that 100a to the fourth is itself a perfect square. It's 10a squared and then squared, and therefore the square root of 100a to the fourth is 10a squared. Similarly, the square root of 9b to the sixth. 9b to the sixth is a perfect square. It's 3b cubed all squared. And therefore the square root would be 3b cubed. And so our answer is 10a squared divided by 3b cubed.